This is another Hang Out With Me video. It's not really a tutorial. I've already filmed part of a tutorial video of making this Easter wreath out of deco mesh and wire edged ribbon. And the way I do my videos is I film me like making the thing, and then at the end of the video, once the thing is completed, then I film like my little short intro, okay? Of course, so that y'all can see, like what the finished thingy looks like, So that's how I do it. So I'm kind of in the process of just finishing up a wreath here and thought, where's the pink one? Here we go. Just thought that I'd kind of turn the camera on for about, I don't know, 10, 12 minutes or so. Just hang out with y'all while I'm doing this. I got some pretty good feedback on my last one that I did, so I thought I'd do another one. I'm just working on this Easter wreath here. Yeah, like I said, I'm not going to be going in depth of how I'm making it at the moment. I'll have that tutorial up. Oh, crap. That tutorial up soon. I'm just hanging out, drinking some coffee, my black coffee. I like my coffee like I like my men. Ground up and in the freezer. Yeah, okay, whatever. Anyway. So I've got my ribbon and my deco mesh, and oh my gosh, I can't get it open. Aha, here we go. Here we are. But I make so many wreaths, you know what? After I make them, I don't even hang them on my dang door, so I don't know why I make so many. But I like to show people how to make them, and I've been thinking about getting back into selling. I used to sell in this really cute little boutique in Charlotte. I had a good time doing that, but you know what, then I moved, and now I live up near Asheville, and it would just be a pain, to have to drive back and forth to check out my little section in the store, because people let their kids run wild in the store, and then they'd want to touch the things that I made. And you can have it set up all nice and pretty, and then go back a few days later and it looks like a tornado came through, whatever, it's all right. Control your kids, people. Control your offspring. Spend all that time setting it up, and then somebody lets their young'un run around and rain holy terror down upon everything. So I'm just cutting my ribbon here. I got a mixture of deco mesh and ribbon going on, so I'm just cutting some ribbon strips. This is exciting, right? Isn't this just the highlight of your day, sitting here watching me cut ribbon? Nah. Well, like I said, I got some pretty good feedback, and I didn't know, if I would or not. I got some pretty good feedback on my last Hang Out With Me video. So I thought I would do another one, because I like to hang out with y'all. I like to hang out and cut up and act silly and crack jokes, and like my little coffee joke, that might offend some people, but you know what? Just let it go. Have fun and laugh. Life is short. Life is too short to be grumpy and grouchy all the time. You've got to laugh. Whatever your circumstances. And I know what it's like. I know what it's like to not even want to crack a smile, but you got to. For the sake of your own health, whip out a craft, laugh and have fun, chat with somebody. Personally, I don't have anybody to talk to, so I talk to y'all. I come on here and I can chat with y'all in the comments and loosen up and have some fun and kick back. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos. I really have. I watched a lot of YouTube craft videos, and some of these people, I'm telling you, they are so frigid and rigid and uptight. They are so just uptight. You probably couldn't even pull a needle out of their butt with a tractor, and there's no reason to be that way. I like to laugh. I make plenty of mistakes. I make goofs and I mess up. Let me see, like right here. Okay, plaid, I need eggs. Just laugh with it. Go with it. And that's why I'm doing these little videos here, just to be able to hang out and run my mouth and chat with y'all. And speaking about that, I saw where YouTube has got like a live streaming feature. I don't really know how to use all that yet. I was reading about it earlier, so I thought that it would be really cool, to have like a live stream feature. I could come on live and really be able to chat with people. I thought that was cool. I was looking, it's like I have to download a few things, and I don't know if I'll be able to film that with my phone, or if you have to have, you know, like a webcam, which I've got a webcam. I'll have to look into that, but I thought that would be fun. You know, we could all hang out and drink coffee and laugh and cut up and be crazy and work on crafts. You know, that would be pretty cool. You know, the next best thing to actually having somebody, you know, beside of you in person. And you don't have to clean up after them or clean up your house in anticipation of them coming. Like right now, I'm sitting here. My craft table's a mess. I'm drinking coffee, talking to you, and I'm wearing pajamas. You know? No pressure here. Let me see. All right, how many of these darn things? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, got 9. I put 10 bundles per section. That's why I'm counting them. And I can count them right now, and I'm going to forget how many I have 10 seconds later. You know, it's all right. Yeah, I like to laugh and have fun. Something somebody had told me a long time ago, like you have to make yourself smile. Make yourself laugh, even if the laugh is fake, even if you have to force it. Even if you have to force it. Laugh out loud. Even when you feel like crying. Just make yourself laugh. You have to do it. You have to loosen up. Like I said, life is short. Just laugh and have fun and go with it. Alright, I'm going to put this on here. Let's see, right here. And I think I'll be done with this little section. But yeah, I'll hope to have the tutorial up for this sucker later on tonight. I'm hoping so. I'm trying to get this darn thing done before the sun goes down so I can take it outside and take a decent picture. Because this southern girl lives out in the woods, and I don't get a whole lot. I get some, but I don't get a whole lot of natural daylight coming in my windows or anything, you know, where I can actually take a picture of items inside my house. So I got to take them outside in order to take a picture. Let me scoot closer here. What am I doing? Oh. So I got to go outside and do it. Which is okay in the warmer months, but you know what? It is cold here. It's not as bad today as it has been the past few days. Like today is 31, which is not bad at all. You know, I live in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains. And it's been so cold here the past few days. I mean, I know it's a lot colder, you know, a lot of other places. I'm just saying. It's been pretty cold here. I've been living in my pajamas. That's attractive. That's the epitome of sexiness here, is me scuffling around in my fuzzy pajamas and my fuzzy slippers and usually covered in hot glue and glitter. You know, that is it. Y'all can't compete with this. Yeah. Let's just roll this up. So yeah, drop me some comments down below. Tell me, what are y'all working on, or what are y'all up to today? Let's see. Eggs. Somebody asked me the other day if I could do like a Q&A session, you know, so people can get to know me on a personal basis. And you know what? That's a pretty good idea. I think I will, because I do have an About Me page up on my website, but you know, I don't know, you know, how many people read that. It's probably boring to some people, but hey, it's me. And I thought, yeah, that's a pretty good idea. So maybe if I figure out how this live streaming stuff works, I'll do it that way. Or I'll just do another one of these hang out with me videos. And y'all can drop comments and questions in one, and I'll answer them in the next one. I don't know how I want to do that. I don't know. Because, you know, like, live stream, people have to be right there watching. And I know y'all got lives. You know, I don't have one, but I know a lot of people out there have them. And I don't want somebody to have to be, you know, like tied down to have to watch something live in order to ask a question. So I don't know what I want to do yet. I'm very indecisive. But I'm very thankful. I'm very thankful that my tiny little channel has grown as much as it has lately. I did this kind of like an experiment. just to see, you know, if people would be interested in anything that I had to say, you know, to see anything that I was making. And I was incredibly surprised. I was so surprised because, you know, I've been watching all these videos from, you know, big name YouTubers, and they were teaching people, you know, how to be successful on YouTube and teaching you how to get your first 1,000 subscribers in your first month. And I had 1,000 subscribers in a week, you know, and it's really just blown my mind. My channel started out, I think it was, I can't even remember what month it was, but anyway, it was, you know, late last year, and I only did it to make just a few crochet videos, just to teach a few close friends of mine, Facebook friends, you know, that I don't see in person, just to teach them how to crochet. And then somebody asked me to do more videos on different crafts, and I'm like, well, I'll try. You know, I don't think anybody's going to want to hear what I have to say. I mean, you know, there's so many YouTubers out there. There are some good YouTubers out there, you know. I mean, there's some awesome ones. I didn't think anybody would be interested, but I was really, I'm knocking ribbon everywhere. Oh, heaven forbid. But anyway, yeah, I just wasn't thinking that anybody would be interested in anything that I have to say. I was just very surprised. I'm very, very thankful for it. I'm very thankful for it. So, yeah, without y'all watching, it would not be as successful as it is now. And let me tell you something. If anybody out there, you know, if any of y'all, you know, because I know there's a lot of crafters that watch me. You know, if y'all are thinking about starting a channel yourselves, yeah, go for it. And I will tell you, there's lots of negativity out there. It is terrible. I cannot tell y'all some of the terrible, just nasty comments that I get on my videos. And all it is people that don't have a life. It's people that have nothing better to do. You know, they try to give you a thumbs down and they think, oh, I'm going to leave her a comment and it's going to hurt her feelings. You know what? I don't give a rat's patootie what you have to say about what I'm making. You know, if you don't like it, I don't care. You know, there's just some people that negativity just runs their life, and they just have to try to project that on other people. But here's a little secret. When somebody leaves a nasty comment on your channel, YouTube does not view that comment as positive or negative. They simply view it as user engagement. And when somebody like gives you a thumbs down, thumbs up, leaves a nasty comment, it doesn't matter. It counts as user engagement. And that shows YouTube that people are interested in your video, and that just jacks your stats up. That helps you to rank better. So, you know, your haters are doing you a favor. You know, don't be afraid of that. I was in a craft group on Facebook the other day, and I missed the video, but a girl had done a live video. I don't even know what she was making, because like I said, I missed it. And she was so upset that one person, out of the hundreds that were watching, one person left a negative comment. And so she decided to shut down and not do any more videos. And you know what? You can't do that. You can't do it. Just turn a blind eye to it. Because you know what? As long as you know that what you are doing is good and decent and you're doing it with a pure heart, it don't matter what anybody else says. And, you know, I love crafting. I do. I love it. I'm not a perfect person. I cuss like a sailor when I'm not, you know, in front of a camera. I yell and carry on and act silly. But you know what? It's all about what's inside of you. Like I said, as long as you don't do anything maliciously, don't hurt anybody else, don't actively try to bring anybody down, don't actively try to ruin somebody's day or do anything wrong. And you know what? The good things will come to you, because they've really been coming to me here lately. And I'm incredibly thankful for it. So, there's that. So, I kind of wanted to give a shout out to the people that are leaving me the nasty comments. You're helping me rank, so thank you. You're helping me rank better in YouTube's eyes, so it's appreciated. Keep it coming. Yeah, I hope everybody out there's having a good day. I hope that whatever you're working on is turning out okay. I hope that this wreath is going to turn out okay. But Lord of mercy, that was loud. But, excuse me. I'm going to keep on working on this wreath. And I'm going to turn the camera off here in a minute, because I'm sure you've heard enough of my prattling. Just thought I would try to give you a little positivity boost today. And thank all of y'all for hanging out with me and liking what I do. I appreciate all of you, and I wish good things toward you all. So I will see you next time when I have the tutorial for this wreath posted. Y'all have a good one. Bye.